Sole with butter and sage is an elegant and simple dish to prepare, combining the delicate flavor of the fish with the aromatic notes of sage and the creaminess of the butter. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 4 sole fillets, flour as needed to coat the fillets, 100 grams butter, a bunch of fresh sage, juice of half a lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: start by patting the sole fillets dry with paper towels, then lightly season with salt and pepper. Dredge the fillets in flour, making sure to remove the excess. Melt half the butter in a large skillet over medium heat, and as soon as it begins to foam, add the sole fillets. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Remove the sole fillets from the pan and keep them warm. In the same pan, add the remaining butter and the sage leaves. Allow the butter to turn hazelnut brown and the sage leaves to become crispy. Squeeze the lemon juice into the pan and stir. Return the sole fillets to the pan just long enough to coat them with the butter and sage sauce. Serve immediately, garnished with the crispy sage leaves. Trivia: sole is a prized fish, appreciated for its lean and delicate flesh. Cooking in butter enhances its flavor, while sage adds a refined aromatic touch. This dish pairs well with a light side, such as steamed vegetables or a fresh green salad. It is a dish that can be considered a classic of French cuisine, but the sage brings it closer to Italian flavors.